my fidgets. And if you want to see them all, then subscribe. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It shouldn't take that long. These are all of my fidgets. And this one, it might be my favorite. And it is so like structurally my favorite. And I even have this sprinkle poppet and a snapper, a cupcake snifter. And I have this squish. I actually traded with my cousin. And I have this Barbie ball. It's one of my favorites. And I have my 3D ball. And I have this ice cream thing. You shake it, and it's supposed to come like this actually. And I have this hamburger poppet. That makes me hungry. And French fry poppet. And I have my unicorn purse, my unicorn poppet purse. I had it for a while as well. And I have these 2 yellow poppets. Don't really like them, but I make a fidget collection. And I have a purple poppet too. It's like so skinny. And I have this purple pumpkin squishy. I call it mushy mushy. And I have a pinkish reddish pop tube and orange pop tube. And I have this pink duck poppet. I trade with my cousin as well. And I have this mini blue heart puppet. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is a pig. A squishy pig, I really like it. And I have this, I usually call this the soccer spinner. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Oh yeah! and they have this. It's like something that you solve. I try to put it together. Sometimes, let me check. Okay, you have to solve it. And there, it's solved. Simple. And a pineapple poppet. Oh my god, it's so hard to pop. And I have this little card poppet. And I have a blue unicorn poppet, and it has yellow on it. I don't know why. And a glow-in-the-dark poppet, a rainbow poppet. And I have this spinner. Okay.
Wait, Janine, how about we see it glow in the dark?
Oh yeah, let's see.
Where should we do it though?
Not in the bathroom.
Oh!
See, it glows in the dark.
Wait.
Yeah. And there. Yeah, it glows.
Oh, well, they just can't see it. That's it.
Yeah. So, because you
Oh wait, I didn't put it at the camera. That's why. Turn off the lights. Even if I do. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Just continue. And by the way,
and my cousin gave me this free dinosaur puppet for free because she didn't want it. Just because she didn't want it. And I have this green square puppet. I really like it. And I have this mushy mushy. It's so soft. Like so soft. It's mushy mushy. And I have this black puppet. And I have a computer lab. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you about this, guys. So like, you pop it. This is how you spin it. Let me show you how to
it's a
spin it.
dimple.
Yeah. Isn't it satisfying, guys?
It looks so colorful.
Yeah, it is. Sorry guys, that's just my. And we also have
What's tie-dye? Oh, shoot.
And we have this puppet bracelet, as you can see. Before I had lots of fidgets, I really wanted the puppet bracelet, and I finally got one. I love it. And I have this rainbow Among Us puppet. So, go sit there.
Someone try a squishy?
Yeah.
Someone try a squishy.
Okay, squish.
Okay.
Guys, it's just her little sister.
Yeah, she looks
And
like
also, I'm her cameraman for the videos. Well, for most of
And
them.
we have this star puppet.
And I also have my own
And we
YouTube
have
channel.
this star puppet. And we have this square puppet. And another rainbow square puppet. This was my first fidget. And I have this llama puppet. And this alphabet puppet. Oh, this is disgusting.
Wait, are there numbers on the back?
They just have letters. Oh yeah, they do have letters over here. And we also have pineapple.
Yummy, I want to eat it.
And we have Blinky Noodle. Oh, and another yellow salvo. Okay, that's all it. I'm not sure. I don't know how to turn the colors on. So,
Yeah, I don't think any of us do, Janine.
yeah.
And also, I have my own YouTube channel, Amir Isa. So go subscribe to it, please.
Please subscribe to mine.
Subscribe to both of us. How about that? Because we both have a YouTube channel.
And we have monkey noodles. And if you're calling my channel cringe, then you're calling the fidgets cringe.
True.
And cringe means weird.
No, it means like funny.
Fun.
Funny. Oh, look, a Summer's butterfly iPad. Summer, you're gonna break it. Oh no, she's not. Can I feel it?
And we have this green puppet. And we have two really mini puppets. And what else do we have?
I thought you had more.
And another one of these. It's actually smaller, right?
Oh yeah, it is smaller. Like, show it to them. Show it to them.
Look.
Yeah, look at that.
Compared to
Yeah, look at that size difference.
we have the rainbow controller puppet.
It's tie-dye.
Yeah. I usually call it the controller.
Mm.
And this is my.
Isn't it uncommon?
Well, I got scanned.
But it looks cool. It's fun.
Oh yeah, what's it called
I
again?
forgot. We got that from the SHK Fidgets.
SHK. If you guys don't know what SHK is,
They're
search it up.
superhero kids.
Yeah. And we have another puppet bracelet. It's kind of different. And we have. Oh yeah, we have this tie-dye puppet fidget spinner.
Oh,
it's more better than a.
It's a dimple.
Yeah, it's more better than a fidget spinner, right?
Yeah.
It's like my fave. Oh yeah, and we have this octopus.
Yeah, you can flip it. And it's a poppet too.
And we have this. If you guys like this
Wait,
fidget,
let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, that looks cool. What about the back? The back? Wait, I want to see the back. Show me. Oh, the back is just yellow.
yeah.
Did you show them this?
Oh no, this is my favorite puppet because it's violet, and violet is my favorite color.
It's pink.
No, it's violet. Violet.
And it's glittery.
Yeah, that's why it's my favorite puppet. And violet is also my favorite color. And this is my diamond puppet.
Yeah, it's fun.
And by the way, subscribe to SHK.
Subscribe to Mr. Beast.
Yeah. Also him too. And
Oh
my god.
Lol, XD.
I have so much fidgets that I dropped one.
Okay. You only dropped an uncommon.
And
fidget.
and my puppet ball. Did I show you guys this?
No, you didn't.
Okay. And we have what else? Oh yeah, and another mini puppet.
I think you showed them the heart. You showed them that one.
Oh yeah. And we have more mushy mushies.
Did you show them the monkey noodle, the green one? Wait, is that all of them? Wait. Did you show them this?
Oh yeah, I
Oh,
did.
yeah. You showed them that.
Okay.
Summer's unsolving it.
So that's good. And we showed you guys all of my fidgets. Thank you for watching. And subscribe, okay? Because so subscribe. Bye.